everyone. Alright, so today our group will present about stationary point and how a carpenter applies stationary point in their real life. Okay, so today our group will present about this topic. So why a carpenter must use stationary point in their real life? Okay, so a carpenter must use stationary point to have a specific measurement in their woods, okay, to cut the woods, okay. So they must have a specific length, specific height, specific width, okay. So a carpenter must use a stationary point. I hope our presentation will enjoy your life. Alright, so let's go. We go to the question. Alright, so I hope all of you understand the question. Alright, so how to solve it? Okay, so firstly, when you get this question, okay, you must expand first the equation to be the linear question, like ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Alright, so we go to the expand first. Okay, and you will get y equal to 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 32. Alright, we go to the second step. Okay, so the second step is, okay, we must do differentiate to the linear equation. So dy over dx. Okay, dy over dx, we will get 24x squared plus 4x plus 4. Alright, so when you finish the differentiate step, so you must be dy over dx equal to 0. So the equation will be equal to 0. So 24x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So you will get the linear equation, right? So go to the calculator and push the and go to the equation mode and put 24x cubed to 24x squared to at A and 4x at B and 4 at C. Alright, so you will get the answer of the value of x. Okay, the x is negative 1 over 12. Right, okay, so next step is when we find x value, we must find y value. Okay, the y value, how to find the y value? Okay, you must get take a linear equation. First linear equation, it is 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 32, and let x be negative 1 over 12, like this. Okay, y equal to 8 bracket or negative 1 over 12 cube plus 2 bracket negative 1 over 12 cube square plus 4 bracket negative 1 over 12 and minus 32. Right, you will get the y value. Okay, the y value is negative 32 8 over 25, like this. Okay, so the stationary point, we have a stationary point. It is negative 1 over 12, negative 32 8 over 35. Okay, so the after we go to the we find the value of y, we must find the coordinate or the graph which is maximum or minimum graph or inflection graph. Okay, so we must double differentiate. So d square over dx square, we will get the answer. Okay, so we do the double differentiate. So we take the first differentiate value and do a differentiate again. Okay, so d square over dx square equal to 48x plus 4, and so we have x. Okay, we take the value of x, negative 1 over 12, and put the inside the equation. So it will be 48 bracket negative 1 over 12 plus 4, and you will get x equal to 0. So d square y over dx square equal to 0, and this is inflection point. Okay, alright.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arina binti Tajul Rashid from DKM2A. My number matrix is 09DKM21F1012. Question 2. For a curved equation of y equal 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x, find the stationary point and determine their nature. Okay, to determine the stationary point, we have 4 steps. Okay, first step is solve the equation to find dy over dx. Okay, y equal 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x. So dy over dx is 12x squared minus 6x minus 6. Okay, for second step is let the dy over dx equal 0 to find x. Dy over dx is 12x squared minus 6x minus 6. So equal 0. So okay, this 1 and then degree 2. I can just put everything at here. So 12 equal negative 6 equal negative 6. Okay, for first x is 1 and then second x is negative 1 over 2. Okay, for third step is find the y by subtracting the value of x from step 2 in the equation y in step 1. Okay, when x equal 1, y equal 4 in bracket 1 cube minus 3 in bracket 1 square minus 6 in bracket 1. So you got negative 5. Okay, for when x equal negative 1 over 2, y equal 4 in bracket negative 1 over 2 cube minus 3 in bracket negative 1 over 2 square minus 6 in bracket negative 1 over 2. You got 7 over 4. Thus the stationary point is in bracket 1 negative 5 and in bracket negative 1 over 2 7 over 4. For last step, find the value of d square y over dx square to determine the type of stationary point. So dy over dx is 12x square minus 6x minus 6. So d square y over dx square is 24x minus 6. So we can solve the x at here. When x equal 1, so 24 in bracket 1 minus 6, so you got 18. And then when x equal negative 1 over 2 is 24 in bracket negative 1 over 2 minus 6, you got negative 18. And final answer is point in bracket 1 negative 5 is a minimum point, and point negative 1 over 2 7 over 4 is a maximum point. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Dr. Haziq Effendi bin Abdul Aziz. My matric number is 09 DKM2A F1032. So today I want to be continue the third question. Okay, so the question is the find the minimum point of the y equal bracket x minus 2 bracket 2x plus 1 and sketch the graph. Okay, in this question or maximum and minimum point question, we have the 4 step. Okay, we have the 4 step to solve this problem. Okay, step 1, you all must to be expand the equation given in this question. Okay, so you expand first. You will get the 2x square plus x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so you arrange the equation first and you arrange with the same algebra. Okay, algebraic. Okay, so you arrange, you will get the 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal with the 0. Okay, so step 2, let the dy over dx equal to 0 to find the value of the x. Okay, so dy over dx is equal 4x minus 3. Okay, you differentiate first the equation you get before this. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equal is 0. Okay, you differentiate this equation, you get the 4x minus 3. Okay, so let the dy over ds equal to 0. Okay, so dy over ds, you put the 0 equal to 4x minus 3. Okay, so you arrange and solve this equation, you get x is 3 over 4. Okay, step 3, what should we do? You let the x in this equation, so y is bracket s minus 2 and bracket 2s plus 1. So what to do? Okay, so first you put the s in the bracket first. Okay, so 3 over 4 minus 2 in the bracket and bracket 2 bracket 3 over 4 plus 1. Okay, so you solve this equation, you get y negative 5 over 4 and bracket 5 over 2. Okay, you solve first, you get the y negative 25 over 8. Okay, so the stationary point is the 3 over 4 and negative 25 over 8. Okay, so step 4, find the value of the d square y over dx square. Okay, so the first diffraction you get the 4s minus 3. So second diffraction or second order, you get the 4 only. Okay, so 4 is the more than the 0. So you must to be know, this is the very important, is the more than or less than or equal to 0, because this is the follow you, this is important to you graph. Okay, so 3 over 4 and negative 25 over 8 is a minimum point. Okay, so you can see how do I sketch the graph, and the point at above the line of the x is the negative, 3 over 4 and negative 25 over 8. Okay, so only that about this equation and this question. Okay, so the conclusion, what I can get from this question or this application is this differentiation apply is used to anytime in the real life. Okay, this is the calculate using the application of differentiation method. This is also can be help in the real life, like to get the best of the heart, like my friend do for this is Danish Azhar. Okay, and the more than you can use in the real life. Okay, so I think only that from my group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you.